Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can register for Changelly. Well, it's quite easy. First of all, make sure that Changelly is installed on your phone, then simply open the application. The first thing that you'll see is this page right here, and from here tap on sign up or log in. So after doing it here, you'll have to tap on this option right here and simply write down your email address. But if you want to continue with your Google, you can simply tap on continue with Google, and like that you'll be able to link your Google account with your Changelly. But for now, I'm simply going to write down my email address. So after writing down your email address, tap on continue. And for the verification, you will need to solve this kind of puzzle. So after verifying here, you'll get to this page where you'll have to tap on open my inbox. So after doing that, in your inbox here, you can see Changelly has sent you the link. So all you have to do is tap on it and then tap on verify my email. So after doing that, you'll have to verify yourself one more time. So simply solve the puzzle one more time. So after you have verified yourself, here you can see we have now created ourselves the Changelly account. So if you simply go to your profile icon right here, you can see your email address is right here, and like that you'll know that you have created yourself your Changelly account. So if you want the password and the email address of this account, you'll have to go back to your mail. So I'm going to go back and open my email. And in my inbox here, you can see I have gotten my login and password. If you tap on it and open it, here you can see this is your login information. And like that, and just like this, you can register for Changelly. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.